Okay, hello, my name is Anthony Furden, and this is my technical walkthrough of my Morphball feature. So we'll start off with going into the Morphball pickup, and if we go into here, you will see that we have on begin overlap. So once they come into contact with the pickup radius or the sphere collision, it's going to see who's doing it, which is the bot, obviously, and if it is the bot, and only the bot, not a reprint or something else in the level, it's going to cast this ability onto the bot and destroy the actor. Now the ability that we're calling is an event that we built in, and again it's going to get the bot, it's going to set Morphball enable, and it's going to set Morphball visibility to be changed. In the beginning of the game, when we have update sphere visibility here, so the sphere is always in the on the bot, but it's just invisible, and this is going to set it so that it can be changed once set enable has been activated. And so if we go into here, this is in the PC in game. We are setting a boolean variable Morphball enable. We're setting it to we're setting it here, and we're getting it here. So that makes it so we can set it enabled when this is called. And so then when that's called, this is the widget that's going to be put on the screen. So this brings up the widget that puts and it says press M to morph, and that sets this to visible. And you can go even in deeper here, and this is in the WBP combine that was made for the jetpack, and we just used it to add in this, and then another widget that will come up later as in the jump when he picks up the jump pickup. So those are added in to the WBP combined to set to visible, and then it's called here when this is enabled. So when this is enabled, it will make that widget pop up and make it visible so that they can see that once they press M, he can morph. Then we have here, when M is pressed, it toggles the player state, and then again, the player state goes here, goes through an enum, and then it will choose between in Morphball form or in bot form. And if you go in here, we have it set to where it checks the Morphball status, and if it's true, it's going to set the visibility of the bot to invisible and set the visibility of the sphere visible, and change the capsule size of the ball so it can fit in the smaller spots. Same thing here. In the bot form, it's the same thing. Checking the status, whatever's true, we'll put it on the bot and change the visibility of what needs to be visible and change it back, the capsule size. This will just revert it back to what it was before it was changed. Then going to the Morphball jump, it's the same deal, except now we're enabling the morph jump and still destroying that actor. We go in here, call this custom event, sees who it is. It does the same thing that we did last time. We make a variable in here that we can set to active, and then we have the widget that's going to be called in the WBP combined, but this is to make sure they only can jump when in ball form. We get the input action, which is the spacebar, or IA jump because it's using enhanced. It has to check if the bot is in ball form, so we made a function here that asks is it in ball form, and is in ball form. So we can go into here and it's going to see if the bot is in ball form, and we made a variable that says is in ball form, and we put that over here to set it. This sets it. If he's in ball form, it's going to set it to ball, and it's going to set it to true, and this will set it to false. And so that has to be true. So both of these, so this and this has to be true to make him jump, and if either of them are false, he won't be able to. So I think that's it. Thank you for your time.